You've got all the dirty stuff. It's all dirty. And I'm going very slow so you can see. I'm not pressing hard. Great. See all the dirt that come off? Then we're going to remove the product. So there's no chemical residue left behind. And then wipe, 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 wipe. It's gone.
Hi. So what you saw in this video was me spraying our detergent, which is a product that breaks down grime and residue and makes it easy to remove. So you spray it onto the surface, it breaks down the stuff on the surface, making it easy to come off. So where would you use this product would be on surfaces like this. On dirty shoes, on dirty showers, on dirty sinks, tapwares, crevices, the grates of the shower grates where all the residue sticks in. And it does exactly that. Now, you will always need to use it with something when there is a lot of built-up grime, whether it be a brush, whether it be a magic eraser, a microfiber cloth. You will learn as you watch more videos on what products work perfectly together to get you your desired outcome. If you have any questions, reach out. Other than that, I will see you very soon.